In this video, I'm going to log into Coinbase and I'm going to choose Ethereum. I'm going to move my Ethereum assets to, and thank you for watching this video. And right below this video, you can sign up for a Coinbase account or an Gemini account to buy Ethereum, to buy Bitcoin as well. You can do that as soon as you hear this video and you click on the links below. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more information to grow in your business, invest into yourself and invest into assets, and go ahead and have wealth in your life. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm right now my Coinbase right now, and you see Ethereum that's looking right at the page. Now, the next thing you want to do is that I'm going to take Ethereum. I'm going to buy Ethereum and I'm going to move it over to Uphold. So first I'm going to do is actually buy Ethereum. But the first thing, I'm going to log out and log back in. So this is Coinbase, an exchange where you can buy and sell and actually hold your cryptocurrency. So I'm going to log in right now. And then it's going to give me a two-step verification code. So you do that when you sign up in a Coinbase account, Gemini account. They have this in terms of security preferences. So let me go ahead, type this in. So that is a two-step verification code. And they send this to your cell phone. So send this to your cell phone so you get the numbers and you'll go ahead and do that. So the next thing on Coinbase, I'm going to look for a particular asset to send over to a different exchange. So I choose Ethereum. I'm going to click on Ethereum. That's right there. This is the value of Ethereum as you watching this video as well. The volume is up as well in terms of the trading activity. But we're going to spend $10 to buy Ethereum. I don't have Ethereum on this training login. So let me go ahead and get this. Now I'm gonna get $10 of Ethereum. So buying it, this is how much it's going to be worth of $10. And I'm going to go ahead and buy now. So you see this right now is buy now. It's really easy to buy assets on Coinbase, Ethereum, Coinbase, Gemini, and Uphold. It's really simple and really easy to do that. The next thing is that I want to send this over to a different exchange. Now I'm going to switch over to Uphold, and I already have it up already. This is Uphold. This is another area where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. And you also can, right below this video, you can sign up for a free account of Uphold as well. Now, I already have an Uphold asset that's in my wallet of actually Ethereum Uphold. And this is actually address that I need to go ahead and actually receive the access from Coinbase. So I'm going to go right to the wallet. No, excuse me. I'm going to go to the send and receive. And I'm going to go ahead and type in or paste in that information that I got right from here. Paste it. A note. Let me see here. A note, valid email of the Cardano. Okay, so I need to go and change that to Ethereum. Okay, so let me go ahead and paste that because they had Cardano in there, so they had a different asset. Make sure this is actually the right asset for what you're sending it to. So they had Cardano on here, so I needed to go ahead and change that to Ethereum. And the next thing is I want to go ahead and send all. So that's the Ethereum, but you know what? I'm going to send. I'm going to send $10 of that. Remember, this is the Ethereum address from Uphold, which is right here. And I'm going to Uphold. Let's see a message there. And let's see, it's going to send to it. It says you're sending $10. It breaks it down. Here's the note that I put on there. This is the address that I got from Uphold, which is right there. And Coinbase fees, there's no fees. So it's actually going to go ahead and there's the network fee there. And I'm sending it right now. Here's the two-step verification code that you get when they're verifying this actually transaction, which is for security purposes. So I'm checking my cell phone right now. So I get another code. And this is telling me the numbers that's right that you see. So it's going to be 684292. And sending it, confirming. It says failure. So let me go back here. Let me try it again. $10. And I'm going to try it again to Uphold. $10. There's the verification code. And I'm sending now. Hit the 2-step. The 2-step process is getting ready to be sent to me. And there it is. 782. So let me get here. 782-1516. Confirm. Let's see here. First time it failed, it probably just didn't have the right. I probably didn't have the right verification code number. So there it is. Okay, so the first time it failed, the second time it went through because it actually sent me 2 different ones, but I got the right one in there. So make sure you have that, you verify. So here's the date it says, and this is a little recap. This is where, let me go back and see if there's a recap on here. So this is recap, 1587. That's the value of Ethereum. This is the bank account that we paid for it. This is the Coinbase fee. So it was a fee. And here's the $9 and $10. This is when we bought the $10 Ethereum right from Coinbase. So this is kind of more of a receipt. So it's good for tax purposes, good for your verification purposes. Now I send that over there and let's see if it's been sent here. So let me check the wallet here, see if it's been sent here. So I'm going to, there's the Ethereum right there. I'm going to see if it's there already. Going to see, I'm going to just refresh this page and see if it's there. Let me check it. And it still have not arrived there yet, but I'm sure it's on its way. So let me see. It says pending now. So when I went back to Coinbase, it says pending. So the pending, here is the number or the address that it's going to. The note that I have to Uphold. Price per coin of Ethereum is over $1,500. Only one confirmation. And it's pending. So it should be there momentarily. Should be there. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this and see if anything has been changed. So it still says pending on there. So probably take a few minutes from that to arrive there. So I'm going back over to Uphold. And by the way, Uphold is really simple and easy to do. And there's a link right below this description box of Uphold, Coinbase, and Gemini. So this is rocking and rolling. So that's how you really do it. I'm gonna wait a few minutes to make sure when this does get sent here. And I'm gonna check one more thing out just to make sure the overview. And I'm going to check also one more spot while we wait. You know, spot my portfolio. That's where I wanted to go. And if I go to Ethereum, trying to find something here. Maybe I just go to portfolio. So this shows it what the value is right now. So that's the balance of Ethereum. Okay, so that's the balance that I currently have in this actual example. And so it's basically been sent. Can you see it right here? Sent Ethereum. I can check here. It still says pending on there, so it'll probably take a couple of minutes before it gets there. So just bear with it. Hasn't been that long at all. So it says still sent for Ethereum. And I'll see the status over here and see if I see any transaction or any history here. So it still says it still have not arrived yet, but it's on its way. And think about Ethereum, how I got that actually address. I just clicked right here and the crypto wallet address. That's what I got it. And this is the Ethernet address that's assigned to your Uphold account. And all I did is copy that from there. So I had bought Ethereum before and I got it from doing this transaction here. I just bought it and this is how I bought it. I had my bank account, which you can add in there. And I just went in here and I found Ethereum right here, or you can go to cryptocurrencies and I just select that. So that's how I bought Ethereum from Uphold. Really simple and easy to do. I selected it and then I just went ahead and just paid for how much Ethereum I wanted and it came over here. So it's pretty simple, really easy to do. And I like Uphold. I've heard some mixed reviews about Uphold because some people didn't have the best success with Uphold. So now I just saw the transaction just went through here and this is it processing right now. This is the date and this is the information that it went from. So this is Ethereum network. This is where basically where the transaction is happening and how much is being sent to one exchange to another. And this says deposit. So this is deposit. This is happening right now. And if I go back to Coinbase, it seems to be getting converted, because check this out. It says sent, still pending, but here it says deposit. So this is actually happening. So it's just processing. So just only minutes, seconds left for it to do it. I just reloaded it and refreshed it. You may want to go get something to drink, go use the bathroom, maybe go do something else, because probably took like 5 to 10 minutes to do. This is really cool. And Ethereum just take a little bit longer. I tried sending XRP, tried sending some other things like Bitcoin, Cardano. I'll probably do another video and do Cardano and send Cardano from Coinbase to Uphold, or maybe Cardano to a different exchange as well. So that way you kind of see how it is. But it's really simple, guys. Really simple to do. If you want to send it over to a different exchange, just click on send. And then you send what amount that you want to send to. So you make sure this is highlighted with the actually asset that you want to send to. And if I said send all, it's only 44 cents. And then you get the address, which is right, what I already have. You can put a little message and then you continue. So receiving is a little bit better, that you get the address from Coinbase and then you can actually send assets from one exchange to this one out here. So I just wanted to give you a little discussion, a little tutorial over that as well. So that says still says pending deposit. So that should be there momentarily, but this is really, really cool to do. And check this out, deposited. So now it says it has been deposited. It's completed now. So the assets from Coinbase to Uphold has been confirmed. You see completed here, and you see all the transaction history that's happened there. Here's the date. Here's the amount that we did send over there. And if I go back to Coinbase, this should be completed as well. I just refreshed the page and it still says pending, which is very interesting. Let's see here. Okay. So it still says pending, which is interesting, but Uphold already got their money, so maybe Coinbase is a little bit behind in terms of confirming. So they could be could be a little bit behind in the process. Because right now you see here, deposit. Here's the funds right there. Let me refresh it one more time, and yeah, you see completed. So you see that, guys, it's completed. It's just Coinbase probably need a little bit more time for it to confirm over for the pending situation. But this actually transaction is done. Don't forget to sign up for your free account of Uphold, Coinbase, and Gemini. It's the links right below this video. If you need more videos about different things, just let me know in the comment line. Let me know what you think about buying assets from these different type of exchanges and sending things over. So I'm happy to do that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. My name is Adam Shelton, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below. Get some free Bitcoin, especially on Gemini. Gemini is really good in terms of getting free Bitcoin just by signing up and getting your first asset. I'll see you on the next video.